This video is sponsored by Black Eye Coffee and Roastery, the best coffee from Bali, Indonesia, and the price is affordable. Check it out, guys! Hello guys, welcome back to Cluster Model Kit channel. So, in this time, I feel like I want to make a Gundam from the Gundam Wing series, but I'm really confused about this. Well, there are 5 Gundams from the Gundam Wing series, and I'm just confused. Which one should I build first? Is it Wing, Death's Kite, Heavy Arms, Sandrock, or the last one, Shenlong? Okay, I think I'm gonna make the Shenlong first. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of them first, and oops, sorry about that. Well, okay, since Bandai doesn't want to make the high-grade after colony Shenlong Gundam, well, I have decided to make this Shenlong Gundam, this old Shenlong Gundam, into the high-grade after colony, into the new one. So I'm gonna custom this one, and I'm gonna build and give some a little bit modification, of course. And okay, without any further ado, let's just build this Shenlong Gundam. Wow. I'm wearing a Gundam Wing t-shirt right now. Well, what a coincidence. Okay, let's build this one. guys, I just done painting the high grade after colony Shenlong Gundam, and of course with a customized build too. But if you guys want to give your comment, give me a suggestion or critics, well, you can write down your comment on the comment column section down below. And I want to say thank you to the Black Eye Coffee and Roastery for already gave me these two kind of coffees. I really enjoy the coffee, it's really good while I'm enjoying my Gundam collections. So if you guys want to have some coffee while you are enjoying your Gundam collections, well, this is the right choice for you. And last but not least, please subscribe my channel guys, and don't forget to follow my Instagram too at Cluster Model Kit, and don't forget to follow the IG of Black Eye Coffee and Roastery as well. So I'll see you in the next video, and ciao guys, I'll see you next time.
I'm never sure